Hi guys, I just got new camera and I am trying out it today. It's Action 5 Pro, and I decided to try how it works on the sun, on the very good light. But it's really hot outside. It's impossible. Who doesn't know? I live in Florida, and it's just so hard to be outside right now. So the only place I could afford myself to be like on my backyard, to be really close to conditioning in the house. So whatever I saw, I decided to just draw this chair, because the purpose of this video was just to try out the camera, if I can use it for my plein airs or going out sketches, mostly to the parks and Disney Park, Universal Park. This is what I ideally would like to sketch in. It's a little bit hard to see because the camera is right now is hanging on my chest on that special elastic holder or whatever it calls, and it's right in the middle of my chest, and there is my head in the same middle, and so it's the camera is right on my way to the paper to see what I'm drawing. So I was drawing almost like blindly, so almost didn't see what I'm doing when it's really in the middle. But I was just still keeping doing this just to see what happened in the end of the day. Sorry, I didn't notice that it didn't fit the whole paper. And by the way, in the right, that white and black and white little thing, that's Pixel. That's my puppy, which is not puppy anymore. He is 10 months old now. So yeah, happy puppy, his happy childhood. Very energetic and energizing. He has a lot of energy. He is stubborn. He is not listening. He does what he wants, and that's the nature of the papillons, his breed. So here am I continuing, and I think the quality is not that bad. I really don't think it's bad, so I might consider to continue drawing with it. Sorry for the noise in the background. That's Pixel doing something, probably playing with his toy, which makes a lot of noise. He likes the noise, so we got him toys with the noise. So okay, so I am continuing with my parallel pen, and right now it's the time for the thickness to show some shades areas, and just to emphasize the three-dimensional of this subject, which is chair. Oh my god, I think I forgot the one more leg, the fourth one, but that's okay. You see, afterwards, when you see things, you see the mistakes, and but it's too late to fix them. So anyway, you see, with the thick pen, thick lines, I am making like areas where it's like more shades, and it's darker, and it's makes it more alive, and kind of more gives more characteristic, gives more character to that chair. And it's like playful lines. I always like to combine thin lines with thick lines sometimes, not everywhere. Thick lines might just kill your sketch if you put them everywhere, and I have these examples on my channel. Everybody makes mistakes. Yeah, I forgot the leg. That's okay. So I finished with this ink, and now it's time to start with the watercolor. And so this time I would just hold it in my hands, because again, I didn't know if I wanna upload this video on YouTube or not, and this is just a trial version for the video, but for the YouTube, for the video camera. But I wasn't sure if I will put it on YouTube. Yes, I actually didn't want to put on YouTube, but it's hard to tell the quality when you just watching the videos on your screen, even on my iMac big screen, um, because you don't know how YouTube will reflect this quality on, because when you upload video, the quality is changing how YouTube really needs, and I don't know how in the end of the day it will show up on YouTube. So I will upload this video. That's why I am recording this voiceover, and I will watch and I will see with you guys how this turned out and how it works, and we will both decide if this camera works for me or not. And I will be very appreciated if you will give me some comments and suggestions, and then I will make a final decision about that. But I kind of like it better than previous camera, but I am not sure that the quality is the same like iPhone. So I'm in the process of researching. Thanks, guys, and subscribe who didn't yet.